Let's get to the latest updates coming in from Kerala. Remember, the state will be polling in just 3 days from now on Friday. Rahul Gandhi and Pinarayi Vijayan are continuing to target each other. In the latest comment, the Kerala Chief Minister has once again targeted Rahul Gandhi, saying that he's fled from North India to contest from the South. Prime Minister Modi, amid this ongoing rift, also mocked the India bloc and hit out of the ongoing feud, stating that Pinarayi Vijayan has lashed out at Rahul and has said things that even he wouldn't say about Rahul Gandhi. Remember, Pinarayi Vijayan, the Kerala Chief Minister, trained Councillor Rahul Gandhi earlier as well, questioning why, in fact, he's contesting from Wayanad and also why Congress leaders are ditching the party and joining the BJP. Rahul Gandhi also hasn't held back, repeatedly slamming Pinarayi Vijayan, questioning why the Enforcement Directorate has not acted against the Kerala Chief Minister.
പ്രധാന എതിരാളിയെന്ന് അദ്ദേഹം അവകാശപ്പെടുന്ന നരേന്ദ്രമോദിയെയും സംഘപരിവാറിനെയും നേരിട്ട് എതിർക്കാൻ ശ്രമിക്കുന്നു പോലുമില്ല. ഉത്തരേന്ത്യയിൽ നിന്ന് ഒളിച്ചോടിയാണ് വയനാട്ടിലെത്തി രണ്ടാം തവണയും രാഹുൽ ഗാന്ധി മത്സരിക്കുന്നു. അപ്പൊ അദ്ദേഹത്തിൽ നിന്ന് ഇതിൽ പരം എന്താണ് പ്രതീക്ഷിക്കാനാവുന്നത്? ഈ തെരഞ്ഞെടുപ്പ് പ്രചാരണം തുടങ്ങുമ്പോൾ തന്നെ
Why is none of this happening to the Chief Minister of Kerala? Why is his membership not being taken away? Why is he not being interrogated by the ED, CBI and all these? Two Chief Ministers are in jail. How come none of this is happening to the Chief Minister of Kerala? I am 24/7 attacking the BJP. And the Chief Minister of Kerala is 24/7 attacking me. He says he's fighting ideological battle against the BJP. But I know the BJP, because when you fight ideological battle against the BJP, they attack you with everything they have.
उनके अलायंस के साथी भी एक दूसरे को गालियां दे रहे हैं. कल आपने उनके एक साथी केरल के मुख्यमंत्री ने जो शाहजादे को सुनाई है, मैं भी कभी ऐसी भाषा नहीं बोलता हूं, ऐसी भाषा बोली है उन्होंने साथी को. ये हाल है उनका.
India Alliance is not in takeoff mode. The engine has failed because I was in Kerala for the last 2 days. Two important leaders of India Alliance, Mr. Vijayan ji, who is the Chief Minister of Kerala, wants Rahul Gandhi ji to get arrested. Rahul Gandhi ji wants Vijayan ji to get arrested. Revanth Reddy Garu, Telangana CM, wants action to be taken against Udayanidhi Stalin. And DMK wants Congress. They will not keep quiet. What does it indicate? That all senior leaders from southern part of India and the India Alliance, they have started fighting. It is only a matter of time. In phase 3, phase 4, you will see the same repetition happening across India.